This 2008 Keystone Springdale 298 BHLGL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, LP detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, awning, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2008 Keystone Springdale 298 BHLGL is 6,795 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.